Noco GENIUS5, 5-amp fully automatic smart charger, 6V and 12V battery charger, battery maintainer, and battery desulfator with temperature compensation. Meet the GENIUS5, similar to our G3500, just better. It's 34% smaller and delivers 65% more power. It's the all-in-one solution: battery charger, battery maintainer, trickle charger, plus battery desulfator. Do more with Genius, designed for 6V and 12V lead-acid automotive, marine, and deep cycle batteries, including flooded, gel, and maintenance-free, plus lithium-ion batteries. Enjoy precision charging. An integrated thermal sensor detects the ambient temperature and alters the charge to eliminate overcharging in hot climates and undercharging in cold climates. Charge dead batteries, charges batteries as low as 1V. Or use the all-new force mode that allows you to take control and manually begin charging dead batteries down to 0V. Restore your battery automatically detects battery sulfation and acid stratification to restore lost battery performance for stronger engine starts and extended battery life. Beyond maintenance, it's not just a trickle charger, it's an advanced battery maintainer. A fully automatic, worry-free battery charger for everyday use 24/7 with zero overcharge. Compatible with all types of vehicles, charge and maintained cars, motorcycles, lawnmowers, ATVs, tractors, trucks, SUVs, boats, classic cars, hot rods, and more, you name it. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.